Hi, I'm Mick Sadler and I've got a new gimbal. Hi, today we're going to look at the Zynthian Smooth Q gimbal. Now first of all I need to talk about firmware. Now firmware is software to improve your product. So you can download this and load it onto there. Problem I've had with this gimbal is that you have to download 3 things from the Zynthian website. 1 is the program, 2 is the USB to serial, and 3 is the firmware. So I try and download the USB to serial and it didn't work. Looked on the system preferences and it wasn't there. So we followed their instructions as to how to, if it didn't work, go about it, and it tells you to remove the old drivers, which is done in terminal, and that didn't work. And we looked at their third option, tried that didn't work. Each time I'm rebooting, and so I just couldn't get it to work. Luckily enough, this gimbal is got the latest firmware out of 1.6, so I understand on the PC it can be done. Looking at all the people talking about this is that don't really work well on a Mac at all. On a PC it probably does work. So there's just a word of warning, but this is a super little gimbal, and we're going to sort of show you how it works. So this comes with a very nice zip-up case, very well padded, and so it unzips, sits in there really very nicely. Nothing could damage it, and all ready to go straight out of the box. Right, so the gimbal here, this has got a little grip to grip your smartphone, and it's as simple as slipping this into this, and it holds it very securely, and slide it down to the end. Now this is where you balance it, and we're pretty well balanced, but there is one knob at the back here which allows you to adjust this hole at the back. So if for instance your gimbal is like that, you just move everything to the other way, yeah, and you just have to balance that up. So that's pretty much now balanced. So the simple thing now is to switch it on, and to switch it on you've got one button down the bottom. You press that, and when the blue light comes on, it comes into action. Now the first way it comes is that it is fixed. Up and down is fixed, so whether you go up and down it doesn't move, but its pan will work, so you can follow around and pan round. No, you press it once more and that fixes it, stops the pan, won't go up and down. You then press it twice, and this allows you to pan. It also allows you to move up and down. Press it once and it will go back to the previous version. Press it once again and we're back to the panning. With it on the panning, there's a joystick on here which allows you to move up and down, up and down, and it allows you to pan around like that. So because this is fixed, the joystick's in operation. So if I press it again, and now that's fixed both ways, yeah, so it's fixed up and down. So it allows you to, then the joystick will allow you to tilt it up and down and also to pan it. So really you can get into any position you want. So we hit the button twice and it allows you to, yeah, it's panning and tilting. Now this way the joystick operates like this and it just takes it as an angle. You'll still be able to follow down, follow up, pan right and left, but the joystick will allow you to angle this as you want. There is another mode, and that's if you press it 3 times, it's a selfie mode. And so you can see that it turns round, and you can then do a selfie mode. Press 3 times again and it comes back. With the gimbal, you get the app which goes with the gimbal. You can set different settings on there for your gimbal, and you can also use it to record. Now I tend to record probably in Pro Movie, but this will record well enough in the app. I bought, along with the gimbal, I bought this small little tripod, and there's a 1/4 thread on the bottom, and this will screw into that, and it allows you to stand it down and really be freestanding. On the gimbal, on the side here, is a micro USB. Now they supply a cable, and this is how you charge up the gimbal. So there's micro USB to USB lead. There's another port right on the bottom here, another USB, and this is to charge your phone if need be. So using the batteries in this handle, you can charge your phone as well. So yeah, this is a great little gimbal, and I'm going to have fun with this shooting, and you'll see some results in the future. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a review of the Xiathan crane. Now I bought this myself, and but Xiathan are going to send me a crane so I can put my Fuji X-T2 on it, and we'll see how that works, and we'll do a review on that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to be informed of our videos, just hit the bell, and then every time we put up a video you'll be informed. If you've got any comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you again next time.